This is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Nice.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a mystery box from...
The USA.
That's right. I have no idea what this is or who it's from. I don't recognize the name, and the box literally is covered in... It's just a white box, and it doesn't have any company name on it or anything, but it certainly... It sounds like noodles amongst other things, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh wow. Okay, so I knew that eventually I'd get something new from these guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on that camera, but check it out. It says, "How do you top ramen?" And then if you look from this camera, it's something special for the 50th anniversary of Top Ramen. Wow, this is cool. Well, this is a huge box. This is really neat. I'm stoked. What's going on here, right? 50th anniversary. It's funny because I was thinking it was about to be the 50th anniversary of what do you call it? Cup noodles. Cup noodles came out in 1971, but I guess Top Ramen came out in 1970, and today actually is October 6th, and I remember seeing a little blurb saying October 6th was the 50th anniversary of Top Ramen, so they kind of timed it right for me to be unboxing it. So happy anniversary, Top Ramen. And yeah, so first off, we've got one of their new cups. It's Top Ramen. What do we got in here? It's an apron, it says. And there's a little card here. Let's see what it says. It says, Top Ramen 50th anniversary. Join the hashtag HOWDOYOUTOPRAMEN challenge to become Nissan's first ever chief noodle officer. Encourage others to celebrate with you. To help celebrate 50 years of Top Ramen, Nissan is calling on our fans to show it their unique creations with a hashtag HOWDOYOUTOPRAMEN challenge. Submissions will be judged by Top Chef All-Star Melissa King, and one lucky fan will be awarded 10 grand cash and will be crowned as Nissan's first ever chief noodle officer. Spread the news so everyone can join in on the fun. And then there's the email on the back for a PR contact. And then it's got some info, fun facts through the years. Momofuku Ando spent over a year working in his backyard shed to invent instant noodles. The first product Ando launched in the US in 1970 was Top Ramen. In 72, he opened a plant in Gardena to produce the first instant ramen in the US. Top Ramen was rebranded as Oodles of Noodles exclusively on the East Coast from 76 to 2000 because ramen was an unfamiliar term. The brand has launched 19 flavors over the years, but currently produces 6 favorites consisting of chicken, beef, shrimp, soy sauce, chili, and picante beef. Cool. And another fun fact, I've got a copy of this book called Momofuku Ando Speaks, and they're all quotes from Momofuku Ando. Number 42, think, and think again. When I beat my brains, I pass blood in my urine. That's a quote from Momofuku Ando. Well, let's try on this apron. Cool, well it fits. Let's see what else is in here. We've got this little card I just read to you. Looks like a bowl of the new beef Top Ramen, a pack of chicken Top Ramen, another pack of chicken Top Ramen, a bowl of the soy sauce Top Ramen. Looks like some extras. We've got some, oh wow, hickory smoked, uncured bacon bits for ramen, huh? That's interesting. Garlic chips, dehydrated chives, fried onions. Oh nice, bonito flakes. Interesting. A jar of Szechuan chili oil. A bottle of white truffle oil. Interesting. A packet of shichimi togarashi. A packet of furikake. If you get one of these boxes and you get a couple of these, I would recommend getting like a shaker bottle to put this stuff in. And finally, a nice white bowl. I've really kind of wanted just a plain white bowl for ramen for a while, and this is perfect. Oh, it's not plain. It's even better. Look at that. Yes, a logo bowl. That's where it's at, folks. I'm stoked. Thank you so much. Look at that. It's even got the 50th anniversary on there. This is a score. This is cabinet wonder for me. Yeah, the first instant noodles I ever had were Nissin roasted ramen when I was a kid, and my mom would take it and she would mix it with an egg. She'd cook it for 2 instead of 3 minutes, drop it in a pan with some oil, fry it up, and then take scrambled egg and put that in with it and stir it. And for this challenge, I think I'm not just going to do one. I mean, my initial thought was, hey, just make like a really good, nice bowl of ramen. But I think I've got 3 things that I'm going to make. I think I'll do a top ramen week in honor of the anniversary. Because, I mean, this is kind of like the domestic stuff, you know. This is the stuff that really got me started. All right, thanks to the folks down in California at Nissin for shooting this over. This is rad. I am stoked. Looking forward to doing this contest, and I'm hoping I'm going to win. So, yeah. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.